Hello everyone, welcome to How-FixIT. If your Apple Watch battery is draining fast or its health has dropped below 80%, it's time to change it. In this video guide, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Apple Watch Series 9 step by step. Before starting, let's review the tools required for this repair. Plastic pry tools, tweezers, glue. I will use B7000 glue due to its high elasticity, anti-vibration, and water resistance. Screen disassembly tool. This tool is designed for opening electronic devices with a screen that is difficult to pry open with standard plastic tools. It's especially useful for the Apple Watch Series 9, as the gap between the screen and the watch body is very slim. And screen clamp. You can find links to all these tools in the video description below. Before you start, turn off the Apple Watch and remove the bands. Warm up the display with a hairdryer for about 1 minute to make the opening process easier. Insert the edge of the curved blade into the thin gap between the display and the watch case. Gradually separate the display from the case by working around all sides of the screen. Gently turn the display towards the watch crown. The Apple Watch battery is glued to the watch body, so use isopropyl alcohol to safely remove it. Apply a few drops of isopropyl alcohol under the battery and wait a bit. Use a plastic tool to carefully pry out the battery. Use the point of a spudger to lift the small, hinged locking flap on the battery connector. Use tweezers to pull the battery cable straight out of its socket. The replacement battery part number is a 2954 for the Apple Watch Series 9 41mm. For the Apple Watch Series 9 45mm, the replacement battery part number is A3009. In the video description, I've included links to where you can buy a battery for both Apple Watch Series 9 models. Now, install the new battery by inserting the battery cable into its socket and securing the locking flap. Turn on the Apple Watch to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything is working fine, you can proceed with reassembly. You can reuse the existing adhesive to secure the battery. If the adhesive pad is damaged or no longer sticky, use double-sided adhesive tape. Use isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to clean any remaining adhesive from the Apple Watch housing. For the best seal, I recommend using B7000 glue, as it provides better resistance compared to adhesive stickers. However, this will not provide 100% water protection, so avoid submerging your Apple Watch in water after the repair. To hold the display in place while the glue sets, use screen clips or rubber bands. B7000 glue fully cures in 24 hours, but it achieves a surface dry in about 6 minutes. I recommend waiting at least 45 minutes before handling the watch further. After 45 minutes, you can remove any excess glue. However, it is recommended to let the glue harden for 24 hours under the pressure of the screen clamp. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech repair tips and guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Your Apple Watch Series 9 repair is complete. Thank you for watching HowFixIT, and we'll see you in the next video.